We are introducing BI4Dynamics D365 Business Central ready-to-use data warehouse BI solution. By using the data from your D365 BC, BI4Dynamics will provide extensive insights across all areas in less than 7 days. It offers BI analysis for all business areas such as sales, finance, production, receivables, retail, and many more. A wide variety of pre-made reports are offered for every module, whereas the sales module has 20 easy-to-customize reports. The pre-made Power BI reports are connected to in-memory tabular model, which allows you to bring any of the 1,500 BI measures into your analysis. Your BC tables are exported to Data Lake and inserted into Data Warehouse. User-friendly business layers have 3 deployment options: on-premise, Azure, and Premium. You need more? No worries. With the customization wizard, you can add any field from your Microsoft Dynamics without using a single line of code. Try it for free for 30 days.